In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to recreate amazing text animations in Figma. We'll build a simple looping number change that looks polished and professional using only native Figma tools. Open Figma and the file you want to work in, then get your base text onto the canvas. This could be a headline or label where one character or number will change to create the animation effect. Start by styling the character that will change. Select just that number inside your text and apply a distinct color so it stands out. This helps you keep track of the animated part and adds visual emphasis in the final result. Add a separate text layer if needed so your main text and the changing number are organized clearly. Now frame the number by selecting it and choosing frame selection. Resize the frame so it tightly wraps that single character. In the right-hand panel, enable clip content. This turns the frame into a mask, ensuring anything outside that box stays hidden, which is key for a clean animation. Position this framed number precisely over your main text so it aligns perfectly. With both the base text and your colored number selected, use frame selection again to nest them together for easier management. Duplicate this framed setup to create your sequence. Double-click into the number and use the up arrow key to change it to the next value. Repeat this as many times as you need to build a progression like 1, 2, 3, and so on. Consistency matters here. Keep alignment and spacing identical across duplicates so the transitions look seamless. When your sequence is ready, select everything and create a component set. This converts each state into a variant, which makes prototyping fast and reliable. Switch to the prototype panel and connect the variants in order. For each connection, set the trigger to after delay so it advances automatically. Keep the loop enabled so the animation cycles endlessly. You can fine-tune the delay to control speed, and Smart Animate often yields a smoother effect if your frames share consistent layers. Head to the Assets panel and locate your new component set. Drag an instance onto your design where you want the animated text to appear. This keeps your main component intact and easy to update later. Finally, hit Present to preview. You should see your text smoothly transitioning through the numbers, contained neatly by the clipped frame for a professional finish. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.